What's up, guys? All right, I'm going to try to put this shifter in. I ain't quite sure how it's going to go. I've never done it before. I don't think it's going to be too awful hard. But anyways, here we go. We got a Hurst Billet Plus shifter. Pretty nice shifter. Looks pretty good. Like I said, it's already got some kind of a shifter in it. Like I said, I think it's out of a new Camaro, I think. Anyways, it looks to be probably some kind of aftermarket deal. I'm not really sure. The guy didn't say. I just don't really like it. To me, it don't feel too good. Anyway, so I may regret changing it out. If I do, I guess I'll swap it back, but kind of wanted to go back with the Hurst. So I want to attempt to get all this apart, and we'll see what it looks like after I can get it going. Okay, so I thought this was a factory new Camaro, but it is a MGW shifter. I thought it might have been something like that after I got it going. But like I say, something to me just does not feel right. So I don't know if it's the adjustment on this thing or what it is. But I've got the Hurst sitting here in the box, so I'm going to try it and put it in, see if I like it any better than this one. I don't know. We'll see. I'll let you know when I get it done. Got it out. Really wasn't that bad. This really ain't a how-to video on how to do this by no means, because I am no expert. I've never done it before. So anyways, it's pretty simple. Just take out those 4 bolts, and that silicone that's on there holds it down pretty tight, so you can't really get it off. So I had to get a little bit of a pry bar and just pry up under it, start wiggling, and then it popped right out. There's a shifter bushing right there, as you can see. Comes with a new one. So I'm going to clean all this silicone off, clean it out a little bit, start putting the new shifter in there, and then we're going to hope for the best. All right, the new shifter's in. It wasn't too awful bad. It's pretty nice. Anyways, I had to go back with the, I guess, the original shifter boot back on it, but it feels so much better than the other one did. I mean, feels great. So I'm actually pretty happy I've done this. I don't know, I want to go take it for a drive, and I'll let everybody know how it does. But man, I appreciate everybody watching the video. See you next time.